Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much. So guys, are you there? You, Jant?
Yes, Sachin, I'm here. I am so it's like I just observed that my all the VH has only partial connectivity, not the full connectivity. I'm not sure, but if you can help me out, figure it out, what can be wrong? Shall I share my screen and
Pardon? Yeah. What is the issue you're facing?
the all the edges are having a partial connection,
Okay, all
not the
that.
full.
So,
Yes.
so maybe it was for a TLOC extension. I think maybe your some of the TLOCs is not proper configured.
No, I mean only it's like one edge which has both the connections also that is also showing partial connection. Only for the vManage it is not able to reach. It's like
Okay, just show me the
yeah.
connectivity. Okay, show your screen, please.
Yes, I'm sharing now. Yeah.
Okay, just yeah, give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, branch on to connection, site ID, this TLOC. Okay, okay, show me your vManage GUI. Okay, one is only have you having
Yeah, that
partial.
is not on right now, but the three VH all having three sides. I mean, having showing the partial connectivity.
Yeah,
And
because your one is having and other should have the reachability to that side. That's the reason that's showing partial when connected for site, but only one site you have. Can you click on the left partial one so that we will
uh,
troubleshoot that one and no, on the left hand side,
okay.
not this one, because other VS should have the BFD session. According to that, it is showing three. That is a site. Okay, VS 30 branch 1. Okay, it is having. Okay, show me the topology now. VS 30 branch 1. Okay, on VS
That is
30.
this one.
Okay, click on this. Show me the configuration. So it is not having the control connection with both of the transport. Okay, just show me the show control connection pipe tab. Okay, okay, it is having only with what is local color default. I think you have not defined any color.
Yes, right. This is yet to configure. I mean, finished
Yeah,
to be
yeah.
configured. But I'm more or less concerned about this one and these two as well. So these guys having in TLOC extensions
But
unable,
these are
and
not
this.
in partial. Actually, what's happening when
Mm-hmm.
your site 3 is having the partial connection, so these two sites also not able to communicate properly with this site because your site 3 is not configured properly. So that's the reason number is showing 1 on the left hand side, partial connection for VS site 3, but it is affecting the other sites. That's the reason number showing 3. So control status partial connection is 1 and affected site is showing 3. When you will resolve the site 3, it will be
Oh,
automatically removed.
oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
got it.
You just remove, yeah, configure those one, it will be automatically removed.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I'll do that then. Yeah, and then okay, fine. Yeah, thanks.
So I have that policy also, segmentation with VPN route leak policy. So
Okay.
you want to complete it today or the tomorrow?
Uh, Probably what time it is it? 5:30, I guess. Tomorrow would be fine. I mean, so you are going to show that on your lab, right? With the
Yeah,
present
yeah.
lab.
So, okay, no problem.
Maybe
I will.
we can take it
com-
tomorrow, I guess. So we can finish up quickly the lab and
Okay,
maybe, yeah.
okay. I will complete it tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.